Keyboardio. Something even a little bit more comfortable makes a world of difference. This is the idea behind Keyboardio. Keyboardio is an incredibly comfortable and accurate typing tool. Its ergonomic butterfly-style layout lets your wrists rest naturally, which could help prevent carpal tunnel. The keyboard's base is made of 2 slabs of maple wood, which you can attach together with a brace, or keep the 2 pieces separate. According to the designers, using plastic just didn't feel right, so they went with wood for a more natural material feel. For even more customization, the creators have included programmable LED lights behind each key, allowing the user to decide on the colors they want. The uniquely shaped keycaps sit on top of mechanical keys, so if you love the feel and feedback from mechanical switches, this will definitely be of interest to you. Sensal Morph. Morph was created as an input device that does justice to the expressive capabilities of our hands. It looks like a regular trackpad, but inside it's packed with 20,000 sensor elements that can detect even the slightest touch and measure the force of that touch. Because it's not a capacitive touch device like the display of your smartphone, Morph doesn't require human touch to be used. In other words, an artist could use a clean paintbrush on it to give a brushstroke effect that is otherwise difficult to achieve digitally, or transform a pencil sketch into a digital image. Where the Morph really gets interesting is with the so-called overlays. Overlays are thin covers that sit on top of the Morph's trackpad, transforming it from a flat surface into a more recognizable device. It could become a computer keyboard, a DJ controller, a piano keyboard, or a gamepad. Recon. Traveling people don't often take a mouse because they're usually bulky and difficult to carry. Recon is the world's thinnest foldable mouse that enables you to work while traveling, just as you would in the office. The device measures only 9mm thick when flat for easy and crush-free carrying in a laptop bag, purse, or even pocket. As you fold it, the mouse will automatically turn on and connect to your laptop via Bluetooth. It can band 180 degrees in one direction, with the built-in banding sensor functioning as a switch on and off button. Recon will enter into sleep mode if you haven't touched it for 3 minutes to prevent battery burn. The lithium-ion battery of 400 mAh should work up to 3 months before it will need a recharge. Kiesel. From time to time, we all have to connect to unsecured open Wi-Fi spots, such as the ones found at the airport or in cafes. When you connect to those networks that don't require a password, anyone can hack into your device to see what you're browsing, your cursor movements, the apps you use, and even personal data. Kiesel uses VPN technology to secure your internet connection. This portable gadget sits between your devices and the internet, creating encrypted connections via a network of different VPN providers, and ensuring that you can browse both securely and privately. some web contents may be inaccessible from certain countries. Keysel deals with that problem as well, allowing you to connect to a server in the country of your choice. Since the intended use is travel, the Keysel has a large 7,000 mAh battery that's estimated to last around 10 hours of usage. Spud. Spud is a completely new type of product, the world's first large and at the same time portable display. Spud uses a specialized projector system and innovative optical design to project HD images that don't require dim lighting or a long projection distance. The screen is made from a special vinyl composite that provides exceptional contrast and clarity. When not needed, the 24-inch display collapses like a ruggedized umbrella to the size and weight of a paperback book. Using either a wireless adapter or an HDMI cable, the Spud can be connected to both Android and iOS smartphones, tablets, and laptops. From watching movies on the go to being more productive while away from your office, Spud optimizes the visual experience on practically any device. Glass Ooze. Glass Ooze is an assistive device for amputees, people with spinal cord injuries, stroke patients, and others who have bad motor skills and cannot operate their devices with a mouse or a touchpad. Worn on the head like a pair of glasses, Glass Ooze connects to Windows, Mac, and Android devices via Bluetooth and works as a mouse replacement. The mouthpiece, which curves in front of the face like a headset microphone, functions as a button. When your head is in a centered and comfortable position, the cursor should be in the middle of the screen. Moving the head moves the mouse on the screen, and biting the attached button performs clicks. It's an extremely light device and weighs only 50 grams. Wristocat. The Wristocat is an innovative, unique, and practical wrist support that reduces stress on your wrists as you use a mouse, keyboard, and other input devices. The Wristocat uses magnetism to create a cushion of air between the base and the top, allowing for more movement and comfort. Meanwhile, the rounded base enables it to easily slide across your entire desktop. It adapts to your every movement as you work or play. Now you can prowl effortlessly between your mouse, keyboard, and touchpad with your wrist always aligned, relaxed, and resting comfortably.